Hey y'all, it's Crystal here. We're going to make a simple half double crochet dishcloth. I've got some number 4 medium worsted weight cotton yarn and my 5mm hook. Plus you'll need scissors and a yarn needle for weaving in your ends. This pattern comes in 3 sizes. For the 8-inch you'll need 95 yards, 10-inch 105 yards, and 115 yards for the 12-inch dishcloth. First we'll start with a slip knot on our hook. And then we'll make our chain. For an 8-inch dishcloth, you'll chain 29, 10-inch 36, and 12-inch 43. Okay, once you have your chain to the length you need for your size, you're going to skip the first chain and work a half double crochet in the second chain. I'm going to roll it over and just go under this back loop here to make my stitch. So to make a half double crochet, I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook under that back loop of my chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3. And my first half double crochet is made. My skip chain does not count as a stitch. And now I'm going to make half double crochet stitches in each chain across. So I'll yarn over and insert my hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 to finish. Continue working half double crochets in the next stitch and in each stitch across. Once you have worked a half double crochet in each chain across, you'll turn your work. Now to start a new row of half double crochet, we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to work a half double crochet under these 2 loops here. So we yarn over, insert a hook under those 2 loops, yarn over again, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through those 3 loops. That chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Now we'll just work a half double crochet in each stitch across. So in the next stitch, and place a half double crochet and continue working them in each stitch. After row 2, you're just going to turn and keep repeating this 1 row repeat for the height of your dishcloth. Now we just have a 1 row repeat, turn, chain 1, half double crochet in that same stitch, and in the next stitch. Okay, once you have worked all of your rows and your dishcloth is as tall as you want, you can add a simple single crochet border around to finish it off. To do that, we're just going to chain 1 and turn the corner. Then we're going to place single crochet stitches in the side of the rows. And just keep working evenly down the side. When you get to the corners, you're going to place a single crochet, a chain 1, and another single crochet all in the same stitch, and then turn and work across the bottom and repeat that as you go up the side again and for each corner. When you get back around to this first stitch, you'll slip stitch to join it, and you'll be able to cut your yarn and weave in your ends. If you'd like a full tutorial on how to add this border, I'll link that up for you in the description. Okay, so if you want to add a hanging loop to the corner of your dishcloth and you still have a loop on your hook, you can continue from where you are. So you're going to chain Here we have 15 chains. If I loop it back, I have a small loop there, about 1.5 inches tall. So I'll add one more for a turning chain, and then I'm going to turn and work back into my chains with single crochets. Once you get back, you can slip stitch to that corner there. And then I'm going to loop this around. And I'm going to go through the end here with my hook, my bottom stitch. And I'm going to slip stitch through that to get it looped down. Now I'm going to pull up a long tail or long loop and cut a yarn tail that I can use to sew that down more securely and to weave in the end. Once it is sewn down neatly and securely, you just weave this end away and your hanging loop and dishcloth is all finished.